I'm finally gonna open my Charlotte Tilbury's Lucky Chest of Beauty Secrets Advent box. Here's what it looks like out of the box. How cute are these? First is the Magic Serum. Love this. This will be perfect. Just about to order some more. Ooh, pretty. Walk of No Shame. Ooh, another of the Charlotte's Magic Oil Crystal Elixir. A highlighter beauty wand, yay, and Spotlight. Oh, the Rock and Coal Iconic Liquid Eye Pencil in Barbarella Brown. Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara in Super Black. A Lip Cheat in Hot Gossip. Ooh. This is the little face brush for travel, or for if you want to pretend like you're a giant. Is the Glowing Gem. Oh, that looks very pretty. And I know I have other lip stuff on, but it's a really cute case. Matte Beauty Blush Wand in Pillow Talk. And lock it closed after. Pretty. Oh, yay. One of the Magic Creams, 15 ml. Perfect. I love those. And finally, the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. And this is 34 ml.